Back with you once again. It's about time I do some stuff out of my sketchbook. Now I'm going to show you some drawings I did. These are the ones I did. Some houses, two-story houses, different types of houses. So this is the first one I'm showing you. The second one I'm showing you on my sketchbook are these floor plans. One of a bungalow, the other one of another house, maybe a basement suite, and a bedroom over here with a TV or a hotel room, whatever you want to call it. And finally, I'm going to show you pictures of some houses. One an apartment complex connected to some sort of store or so, and a two-story house, and another house I drew here. So, those are my sketches for today. Show you more in a future video.